Dust on my hands and a heart that's tired. The world weighs heavy, dreams expired. I pull into a place I barely know, a Rice Street car wash where the waters flow. Tears in my eyes, I can't pretend. Lost in circles that never end. I see the sign, it calls me near. Grace in the water whispers clear. Grace in the water, washing me clean. Peace in the rivers I've never seen. The stains of the past, they fade, they go. God's love runs deeper than I'll ever know. It's not the place, it's the promise inside. The waves of His mercy, the tides that collide. The brush spins around like a second chance. Every drop feels like a holy dance. My soul's renewed in this simple stream. Rice Street's waters or heaven's dream.